Three children inherited a total of X dollars if the oldest child inherited $7,000 more than the youngest child. So let us assume that the oldest is represented by O, the youngest is represented by Y, and the middle child is represented by M. So the oldest child inherited 7,000 more than the youngest. So O is equal to 7,000 more than Y. That's one of the equations. And the youngest child inherited 9,000 less than the middle. So youngest child is equal to middle minus 9,000. What is the value of X? So the value of X is equal to old plus middle plus young. We need to find out this value. So let's quickly see that oldest can be written as 7,000 plus Y. Y can be written as M minus 9,000. That means we can represent this expression as 7,000 plus middle minus 9,000. This is the entire value of O, plus for the middle the inherited money is M itself, and for the youngest the inherited money is M minus 9,000. So we have to just simplify this. To answer this expression, we only need to know the exact value of M, because everything is now dependent on it. The first statement says that the middle child inherited $27,000, which means now the value of X can definitely be calculated. If we wanted to calculate, we will simply substitute all the values and we will get our answer. For example, 7,000 plus M minus 9,000 will be equal to 18,000 plus middle child 27,000 plus middle minus 9,000 is equal to 18,000. That is young. So that will be the value of X. The first statement alone is sufficient. We don't need to get into these calculations, because knowing that we needed the value of M and the first statement gives us, we should have been sure that the first alone is sufficient and the answer must be either option A or D. Here I am just demonstrating for the students whose calculation also may have some problems, so that they can understand that how we are solving these expressions. The second statement is the youngest child and the middle child together inherited a total of 45,000. So youngest child plus middle child is equal to 45,000. Now the young child is equal to M minus 9,000 plus M is equal to 45,000. That means simplifying this once again gives us M is equal to 27,000, and substituting it back in the expression we get the exact value of X. So the second statement alone as well is sufficient, and the final answer to the question becomes option D. Each statement alone is sufficient. I hope you enjoyed the explanation. Thank you so much.